Okay, so this is a sales control system with currency conversion. We have a data table that was exported into Excel from another software. Over here, we got the transaction ID, the type of transaction, payment method, the confirm time of the transaction, the customer name that obviously was changed for privacy, the amount of money, the ID of the purchase order, and the representative, the sales representative that closed the deal. As you can see over here, some amounts are in different currencies. In our case, euro and British pound and dollar. But we want a way to pay our sales reps in US dollars. So we need to convert their sales into US dollars. Over here, we got the calculation button and buttons to control and change the currencies. So we got the pound, the euro, the dollar, but it could be any currency you can think of. We can always custom make it and tailor make it to suit your needs. So if you want to change the currencies, all we have to do is select the cells that we want to change, and we can change them into pound, and we can change the euro and the euro to dollars, and dollars we can change to pound, and back to euro. Over here, we have the reps names. We got a drop down window over here. We can see all the reps that we want. And over here, we can see the sales in euro, what they sold in euro, what they sold in pound, what they sold in dollars. Let's figure out some names. As you can see, nothing happens. It stays on zero. To solve it, all we have to do is click the calculate button and it comes up. The total sales, what everybody's. We can check Jack, big salesman, 30,000 in euro, 1,500 in dollars. And right over here, the total for Jack Lane, it all was converted into US dollars. Over here, we have our conversion rates for the euro, for the pound, but it can be whatever you feel like. And instead of entering them manually, that means an executive assistant or somebody in your office will go online, find it on a website, and then enter it in these cells manually. Excel is doing it for us. Over here in the conversion sheet, we got a table that is actually a query. Query is a visual method of creating a database, just like SQL is short for structured query language. Basically, we create a connection to external data source and connect it to our workbook so it gets updated automatically whenever there's a change online. If you want to see how it works, all we have to do is go to data, wires, and connections. And here we got the table. And as you can see, we got the data sources, all currencies you can think of, the load status, and the last time it was refreshed. To actually refresh it, we don't need to do much. We can go back to our databases. We close it, the window over here, and we just click the refresh exchange rate, and that does it for the refresh. So here where our database is, to better visualize the information, we can bring in a chart, and all we have to do is click show chart, and it pops over here. And we can see who the aces are, who underperformed, and who's somewhere in the middle. If we want to hide this chart, all we have to do is just click over here, and the chart is gone. And that sums it up. Thank you for watching.